Now choose your poison. Which one do you want to do first? The CPU or the what's the name?
Let's connect
SSD.
Let's connect that CPU.
All right. So open up the CPU box.
This big ass thing, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Oh my God!
Okay, this one you actually got to be very gentle with. There you go.
Oh, okay. That's sweet.
All right. So you see all those pins?
Yes.
You don't want to bend none of them. The whole motherboard will be finished. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm dead serious. And then,
Okay.
there you go. And then you know it works. When you push it down, the black thing will just pop right up. Keep going. You gotta put it in.
Oh.
There you go. No. You have it right. That means you have it right. Keep going. And then put it inside the hook. Good money. You did it. You did it. Let me see it first. Is the fan already on it? Oh, wow. They blessed you. Wow. They made it so much easier for you.
J-Bands with the cooler.
Oh, thank God.
Yo, what's up,
Ronnie?
YouTube?
On this wonderful day, Ronnie.
This is Justin building my PC. I sent him all my parts and everything. After he's done, I'm just gonna go pick it up. So yeah, shouts out to Novacuda. I appreciate him.
Super knuckle, Bill Buckle, banana truffle head.
Okay, do you want to plug in your graphics card or do you want to plug in your hard drive?
Graphics card.
Take that out. Oh!
The graphics.
Way to go, the graphics! RTX on, nigga! That's right, RTX on! Unbox that shit, yeah! Let me see that. Oh my god.
Okay, now before you put that in, you have to wash it. All right?
Okay, and put it in the fridge and then put it in the dryer after that.
Yeah.
And take a bite out of it.
Power wash it. That video will forever haunt me. This dude washing his motherboard with a fucking power washer, bro.
I feel like I should do that one day.
Don't ever do that. Please. Justin?
Yo.
You still building?
Yeah.
God damn.
You got that nigga a long way, bro.
Just getting there. How about this, right? Take you a quick break. Get some grub.
I refuse to eat, Matthew. I refuse to eat until I finish this damn computer. I don't care if I starve to eat.
I care about your mental health. I don't want you going insane trying to build this computer.
Insane.
Hey, I'm excited.
Oh shit!
Oh, it lit up!
Let's go!
Oh, it worked! He did it first try! Yo, you did it first try!
Want to see?
The worst thing.
Just hook up a computer without any knowledge first try.
Yes,
First try,
yes,
you did
in
it
your
first
fucking
try.
bag. Hey, yo, Ronnie, hang up. I want to see. In your fucking bag.
You did it first try.
Not quite my tempo. Not quite my tempo.
It's not my fucking tempo.
Nah, Justin, see? It's easy. It's easy. Right, Justin?
Make sure everything's straight. You can only do this once, bro.
No. Bro, wait for it to be like actually just on your desk. Or like wherever you're gonna put it. If not, you're just gonna get it dusty picking it up again.
I'm gonna keep it a status for the video. Who cares?
Oh.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Oh my gosh.
God damn.
Sheesh.
Wait, is Matthew even here?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Oh,
I'm just,
Yo, my heart, bro. My heart, bro.
I'm just watching in silence. Don't worry.
Don't mess it up. Justin.
Look at the gloss. Look at the gloss.
Clap. Now don't ever touch the front panel ever again, bro.
Literally.
You're gonna get fingerprints that's never going away.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
My boy did it. He did it.